How to delete Grab history. I'm going to tell you how to delete your Grab history. Or is it actually possible? You can't directly delete your Grab booking history within the app. However, old records are automatically removed once your history reaches 50 bookings. This includes both completed and cancelled rides. When new bookings are made, the oldest ones disappear. To check your history, open the Grab app. Go to the activities section for ride and food delivery records or payments, and then recent transactions for payment history. If you need to remove a specific entry due to an issue, you can report it through the Help Center and contact Grab support for assistance. Unfortunately, if you don't see an option to delete history, that means Grab doesn't allow manual removal. But over time, your old bookings will clear out as new ones replace them.